A round closed piece usually ends with a series of decreased stitches. More often than not, there's still a hole in the middle of the piece even after you've crocheted this final round. Now we will learn how to close this piece step by step.
Step 1, finish the last stitch and cut the yarn so that the yarn tail is at least 6 inches. Step 2, pull the remaining loop until there's no loop left. Step 3, thread a needle with the yarn tail. Step 4, insert the needle through the front loops of each stitch from the bottom up. Pull tight each time you bring the needle through a loop.
Keep doing it until you reach the last stitch. Okay, now we just finished the last stitch. Pull tight the yarn tail until the hole in the middle is actually invisible. And then put the needle through the middle of the circle you just closed and out some other point on the piece. And then put the needle through the hole that you just out and then out some other point on the piece.
Finally, cut the yarn tail as possible, as close to the piece. And then massage it to hide the yarn tail.